Hey Sales World, Gavin Ty, founder of Sales Market Fit and an enterprise SaaS salesperson by day. I'm going to talk to you today about how anyone can get into tech sales or software sales in their 30s, 40s, or even in their 20s. It just requires a little bit of medium-term planning. Now, one of the advantages that people in their 30s and beyond have is they come with a certain amount of real-world experience. Now, my journey of getting into tech sales, before working in this industry, I was driving cranes for a global aluminium producer up in northern Queensland, here in Australia. And I'd also done many other jobs, including B2B sales for a blue-collar recruitment company here in the country. Now, when it come time to get into software sales, I didn't have any software skills at all. My skill set is operations. I know how to relate to people in the businesses that we sell to. I know what's important to them. And I also know how to frame messaging that resonates with that market. And what I've discovered since coming into this industry is there is a great demand for people with operational experience to be able to go out to the market, relate, and actually uncover problems and talk in outcomes. And that is different to what a lot of people with software experience have. So if you're looking to change a career and go into any industry, regardless if it's tech or not, I would encourage you to make a list of your skills that you have, whether it be hard skills like degrees or qualifications, or soft skills like sales experience, reading body language, customer service skills, and see where you may not have the skills relevant for the industry yet. And then what you can do is start looking for jobs where you can build up that skill set. In my case, I lacked B2B sales, but I inadvertently ended up in an industry of blue-collar recruitment, which is a saturated industry. I had to go out and pound the pavement and learn my B2B sales skills in a highly contested market. And that really helped me sharpen the sword, and I developed a tenacity, always being proactive, the importance of follow-up and beating the competition, and how to outsmart them to really get people on the ground and working in the business that I was responsible for there. So once I developed those skills over a number of years with this recruitment company, I created a whole skill set that was applicable to software sales. And then I could make that transition into the business. Software companies are screaming out for proactive people who know operations, who can talk the talk with the market, and are really customer focused. If you were on the other side of the fence and you come from an operational background and you wanted to get into tech software, that really puts you in an advantageous position over others. But what you may need to do is go and sharpen sales skills in highly contested markets where they have good training programs or things like that. So if you're looking to change careers, I would encourage you to have a medium-term horizon. What is your current skill set and where can you apply that skill set into another industry? Take a stock take of your soft skills that you have and your hard skills, and maybe where you need to improve on those skills with relevant job experience before getting into tech sales. I would encourage you not to follow the normal channels in getting a sales role. Think outside of the box. Think about it like you're a salesperson trying to build an opportunity. Go to different people within the business. Don't follow the normal channels other people do to apply for roles. Think outside of the box. Demonstrate your tenacity. Make that company that you're engaging with aware that you would apply the exact same approach if you were to be successful in a sales role within their business, because you are demonstrating ability or skills that they would really like to have within their business. So if you're in your 30s or 40s, or you have different experiences in other careers, you can be well placed to get into a tech sales role if you wanted to. It just requires a bit of medium-term planning. So if you've made a change and got into software sales in your 30s or 40s, please let us know how you've done it. I would love to know how you thought outside of the box and got into the industry. How did you use your previous skill set in your current role? Or are you thinking about changing roles and want to get into tech sales? What's your plan? Reach out in the comments below, and if I can help you, I will. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe if you want to be notified of more sales content in the future, and I hope to see you soon. See you later.